Hey everyone, so today we have a video featuring Madam Glam. This is the design video for the April collection, which is The Secret Garden. If you guys have not seen that collection, you need to go grab it. It is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous collection. So I do have a swatch video that I had put up before this video, so if you haven't seen that one, go ahead and go check that one out. Just like our base color is going to be this beautiful, beautiful cat eye. It is Blush Twinkle. This is it on the swatch stick. So I'm only going to show me putting down the base color on one nail because I don't want to bore you guys with watching me just paint nails the same color. But that's going to be our base color, but I'm going to bring in an assortment of other colors in the collection, and I'm going to be using them in molds. And so I've really been into molds lately, the silicone molds. They are just so stinking cute. So anyways, so that is what we are going to be doing for this design. This is going to be a spring design. My next design I'm going to do for this collection is going to be an Easter design. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stick around for the last part of it because I will be showing you guys with the nails on. So let's just go ahead and get started. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think this set turned out super, super cute. I am just so thrilled with the way that this turned out. I absolutely love this color, Blush Twinkle. It is my favorite cat eye out of this collection. I'm still learning how to work with the cat eye, but I am starting to get a hang of it. It's the way that I hold the magnet. Apparently, I don't hold the magnet good, but I've kind of figured it out a little more. Each one of these charms was made with the Madam Glam polish in the Secret Garden collection. I just think they turned out so cute. I am really, really loving the little charms that I made with the mold. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I think it turned out super, super cute. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. As usual, I will leave Madam Glam's information in the description box along with my discount code. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day.